Ito na mga boss, Dragon War. Very exciting, high ROI. At meron mga exciting NFTs dito. Explain ko kung ready ka na, excited ka na. Let's go! So guys, kapag click mo yung play now, no, makikita mo dito, ayan, pwede ka mag-sign up, no. Pwede mo laruin to sa Android or iOS. Okay? You can play it Android, iOS, or pwede rin sa PC. And connect mo lang yung Phantom wallet mo or Solfair. Ngayon, kung wala ka pang ganito, gawa ka lang guys, no, sa Phantom.app. Okay, punta ka lang dito, i-download mo lang yan, at very easy to use guys. Okay? So let's say na-download mo na. Okay, let's say sa Chrome ginagamit mo, pwede mo na i-connect ito. Pag naka-sign up na kayo, okay, you can already try the Genesis chess guys. Sobrang lupit nito. 5 mighty rare mighty dragons, at meron na agad 1 rare dragon kasama dito, freely trade in the Dragon War marketplace din, no? So you can buy it already guys, 3,200 gold, and you just accept it. So in order to buy Genesis chess, your wallet requires draw. Okay, kunin nyo yan, yung Dragon War token, no? Dragon War draw. So can be purchased from Radium or MEXC on Solana. So MEXC guys, ni-review na natin to. We have a partnership with this. I-check nyo yung review natin dito para meron din kayo bonus, no? Kung magti-3K dyan, at low gas fee lang yan. So
world. The world full dominance races, engaging in endless conflicts. Magna the Wizard cast the forbidden spell of resurrection, caused the law of destruction Warfare to be reborn.
parang yung
The gate connecting the world
exciting
of
mga boss,
Deva
at
power
ROI.
has been opened. Unite to save the Innova of the power of Dragon Warriors. Choose your race. Collect and enhance your dragons. Explore your power. Save your homeland. Lead your dragons to the glory of victory. Collect rewards and play to earn.
Grabe guys. So Solana, available App Store, Play Store, and meron nga Human, ayan, for Thailand, bonus stats sila, no? Yun yung stats nila, and din yung mga dragons, no? So may Gem, Epic Claws, Rune, Ice, Tail, Horn, and nakikita mo yung difference guys, no? Kapag nag-upgrade. So okay, Warrior, Tanker, Ranger, Support, Healer, Mage. Features, ayan, pwede mo sharpen yung team mo, enter the battle, clear in map, ranking, arena, strengthen your dragons, trade NFTs. So wala ko pa idea sa NFT flipping, check mo yung website ko, danjocapitalmaster.com. Dami na natin natulungan, dami na natin napatunayan. 5 mighty dragons, at least 1 rare dragon from common to rare. Ayan, exclusive NFT, heroes, equipment, dragons, skill ability cards. Top 3 arena weekly, ayan guys. Tokenomic era, unlimited, play turn case, ayan, Solana, chain, contract address, ayan na, SPL, no? And draw. Okay, pwede ka nang bumili, reacta na yan guys sa Radium. So connect mo na yung wallet mo if you want to buy already. You just agree and just connect your wallet here. Solfair, or Phantom, no? I suggest go with Phantom. It's the best so far. And guys, kung wala ka pa idea sa NFT flipping, tinuro ko lahat yan, basics to advanced, no? $200 lang yun. So best game, Blockchain 2022 hot event, Genesis release. So you can check this as well guys, best game in blockchain. Boss, no? Okay ba yung animations nila? So malupit talaga itong mga ito guys, no? Ayan yung Genesis, no? Yung natin. And how much passive income do you get? $1 to $1.5 per day. Ayan, napakalupit. Meron how to download. Nililink ko lahat yung sa description below, or just check the website, no? Anyway, ito yung roadmap guys, very important to consider, no? So magkakaroon ng PvP mode dito, PvP tournament, treasure hunting, boss raid, dragon hunting, heroes, equipment system, era guard, metaverse, massive online, battlefield, world map, guild wars, and much more guys. Ayan, no? Yung advisors nila, Ian Chan, 28 years as tech solution, Alvin Nang, Mindu, Tutor, ayan yung devs nila. So very important to consider guys. Game dev, 12 years experience, grabe, no? Mga senior na yan. So So check nyo yung social media sila, follow them Twitter, join their Telegram group, they have giveaway. I will show it later, no, but let's review first the white paper for you guys to be aware, which is most important. So turn-based nga to, stunning 2D graphics, no. Yun yung mga white paper nila. Yung team ni-review na natin, Docs Devs, as you can see, and partners and investors, ayan na rin. So sobrang laking kumpanya. And of course, the roadmap as well, we already reviewed it. So, merong open test dito na event, no? And of course, ang pinaka-importante guys, ang tokenomics. So, guys, sa inyo, tokenomics nila, very important. P2E, draw, 1% TGE, and tingnan nyo yung development team, ayan, 16% allocation. Cliff 12 month, unlock monthly 24 months. So, 2 years, no? Naka-vesting yan. So, play to earn na yan. Dragon War chess, i-check nyo rin, guys. Napakalupit talaga ng chess na to, especially Genesis chess, no? So, ito yung exclusive Epic Dragon. I-check nyo rin sa Magic Eden, guys. You can already purchase it. Just connect your wallet, no, through Magic Eden, no. And no, kailangan nga natin ito. So, maglaro muna tayo. Connect natin yung wallet natin. Okay. Phantom Wallet. Suggestion ko talaga, Phantom Wallet ang piliin ninyo, mga boss. Okay. Accept. So, verify nyo lang yung transaction nyo. Approve nyo lang. Okay. And you can already buy. Basta may draw yung wallet ninyo, no? Kailangan draw token. So, convert nyo muna ng draw yung ano ninyo, yung Solana ninyo or what. Pero kailangan draw token yan. So, verify nyo lang yung transaction. Okay. May Phantom Wallet kayo. Ayan na. So, meron ako. And, it's very easy to do, no? So, just create. And wait lang tayo sa hero natin. Ano kayo makukuha natin, mga boss? Comment down below what do you think. So we got a elf hero, guys. Alright? So very exciting. So makita mo yung inventory mo dyan. Okay. So you can open it also, no? So makita mo yung mga items and drop list nila, which is nice. Yun yung kinaganda dito. There's a lot inside the package, no, that you can buy already. So very exciting. Gusto ko rin bumili ng ano, mga boss, no? Magic chess tsaka Genesis, no? So tingnan muna natin, no? Pero malupitan talaga to. Ayan, guys. So accept nyo ni Icaros. Magic Meteor. Ayan, guys, no? So ako gusto ko talaga yung Genesis chess na to. Dito kayo makakatipid na marami. So bili tayo at least 3 lang, no? So approve nyo lang yan. Draw ang gagamitin dito, no? So silipin natin, guys, no? Waiting game lang dito, no? Yun lang nakakatagal dito, yung waiting game, no? Pero so far, low gas fee and fast ROI, good gameplay, all in, guys. So ayan, guys, no? Last one, guys. Ang campaign muna tayo kasi kulang tayo ng level, no? So campaigns muna tayo, guys. And we can already prepare to fight. So una na natin yung mga, siyempre, big boss sa likod. So dito, yan. So team 1, wait. 2 star. 2-star din yung magpo-front. Okay, 5 dragons information. So maganda na yung ano natin na yan, no? So exciting. Sige, tipin natin, mga boss, kung lalaban tayo. Let's fight! Let's go, guys. You can see the gameplay is very amazing. Easy win. So very easy to win, guys. So may NPC guide din. Laban ka lang. Laban ulit. Okay. So napakadali manalo pag malakas yung character mo. Ito makikita kung bakit dapat bumili ka ng NFT dito, no? Hindi ka mahihirapan. So napakadali. Fight. Good. So, yan na, hero level 2 na. Kadali mga boss, no? So, kahit tapusin natin ito ng isang araw, matatapos natin, no? Dahil napakadali, guys. Fight. So yan na, labanan na mga boss. Tignan nyo, no? Ang ganda na formation natin, no? So, may mas maganda pa siguro dyan, pero sobrang lakas ng dragon mo. Wala nang pakialaman sa formation dito, no? Tignan mo, walang ka-trill-trill, no? Sure win, guys. Sure win mga boss, no? So, ganyan yung nangyayari pag bayad yung dragons, no? Okay, easy win guys. So level 2, last na lang. I think matatapos na natin yung buong map na to. Hindi pa tayo nagtitrain. Pero as you can see, it's very easy. Pwede mo rin claim yung reward mo sa chapter. Fight. Ka-level lang natin to. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin. So, let's see. Pero palagay ko sure win to guys, no? So, malakas din. Kumparat sa kanina sa campaign, no? Layo. Malakas din. Pero mas malakas yung sa atin, no? So, bilis na speed ng ano nila. Cast naman kayo. Magic yun. Heal tayo. Butiin yung heal niya. Hindi marunong to. Uy, evade. 18. Wow, lakas naman nila. Cast ka nga ng spell. Kailangan natin ng spell. Cast ka ng spell. Yan, magic meteor. Okay, that's good. Lakas yan. Oh. Healer pala sila mga boss, no? Magic shot. Oh, lakas. Sira na yung dragon natin. Hindi mo nakapag-gano. Hindi mo nakaporma. Yung may malang mga support natin kapag yung mga lalo na po, lakas nito. Caspel. Pantay, Caspel. Oh, lakas na spell. Kulang pa kasi siguro yung lakas namin na. Pero we can win this fight. Kaya, lakas ng defense. Lakas ng defense, so even din. Oh, lakas. I can smell the victory. Uy! Wow guys! Nakita nyo yung effect ng magic chest. Kaya bumili tayo ng chest para doon. Ang lakas ka. Sarap mga take oil. It's alright. We're winning. Wait lang. Ay, crit mo pala itong tira mo. Hindi naman namin. So, okay, we won guys! Nice game guys. Still. Ay, crit pa yan. Kaya ang ganda ng dragon yan. Tatlo pa sa akin. So, nice game. 28 days ROI guys, very big deal. Ito 20 to 28 days ROI, 1 hero, 1 chest. 1 hero, 2 chest, 26 days ROI. Napakabilis yan. Siyempre mas malakas yung sa'yo, so mas mabilis ka makakuha ng XP and draw because your heroes are stronger. So rank 1 yan, 50 reward, 500 to 100, 1,000, 5 reward. So check nyo yan guys sa Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, follow them, no? Join the Telegram group guys. Feedback event, raise your voice to get reward. Date August 9 to 15. So yung mga nakasali, congrats. Yung mga hindi, okay, it's alright. So the Discord is already here, and make sure you stay updated on their Discord as well. So pa-verify na kayo sa Discord guys, no? So react to verify. Ayan, announcements makikita nyo dyan para may idea kayo sa announcements nila, and of course community events and more. So you need to have at least one dragon. The higher the level, the harder it gets. Marketplace Dragon War equips you with combo 5 dragons in Genesis chest, especially with the rare level. Sobrang panalo na yan, no? Makakalapan ka na, diskarte ka na mas maayos. No? So this is Danjo the Capital Master, #1 NFT coach in the world. This is the detailed review of this amazing game, Dragon War. You better check this out. Ingat kayo mga boss. Have a nice day. This is Danjo the Capital Master, the NFT Master.